Right, let's do a little upgrade to our T480, our ThinkPad T480. Today we're just going to upgrade the RAM in it. It's currently running 16 gigs of RAM. I'm not sure actually whether there was two 8 gigs or one 16 gig card in it, but it's got two slots. So we're going to pop another 16 gig in and we might upgrade it again later. First of all, we are going to disconnect the external battery. So we'll just shut her down there for a moment. We'll actually leave it on there. And we'll just disconnect the hot swappable battery. We'll leave that to one side. This is a lovely condition laptop, I have to say. Now what we want to do is disable the internal battery. So we just reboot the machine and wait for the Lenovo logo to come up to enter the BIOS. And we just hit enter at that point. So we just press F1 to enter the BIOS utility. Entering setup. And we go to the second option, configuration, and arrow down to power, and then you should see an option here for disable built-in battery, which is the last option. Arrow down to that and hit enter. System will be powered down if you select yes. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Super. Powered down. We'll flip over the machine and we will start with removing all the external screws that you can see. So we'll just start with the back ones first. You can actually just here click slightly when it comes to the last thread on the washer, which actually holds the screws in place. I'll just move that slightly so you can see it. Now, I don't think we actually need to take the other two, but we will just for safety's sake. Save us reviewing it later. Back to it, where you hope that you don't actually break any clips in separating it. So we'll take a little pick first. And we'll try to just gently separate it once we get a start on it. We have that satisfying click noises, which is a great help. Be careful not to break the actual clip, so please use a plastic pick or something like an old credit card or whatever it is, just to pry these open. Now we'll just loosen this screw slightly more. just in case she's caught. No, that's good. Yeah, this one I think has been actually glued at one stage. I think I see remnants of some adhesive. That's it. Now, just being careful around the port selection. On the good old T480, the back pops out like so. So now that we've got the internal battery disconnected, it's safe to work away. Now, this only actually has one RAM stick of RAM in it, which is super, because that means it's a 16 gigs of RAM that's already installed. So we'll gently take out our new RAM stick and slot it in nice and carefully. Just turn it around there so you can see. You can see that's the one already installed. And there is our second RAM, and we just click it down and you get that satisfying click where the two side clips, I'll just show you with this here, clip in to the angles of the thing, of the RAM stick. So there we go, simple as that. There's your internal battery, your fan, your heat pipe, and everything all looks nice and clean on this one. So we won't do any more for the moment. We are going to upgrade the RAM, the hard drive at a later stage, but we'll just pop this back together just to see how quickly we can actually, not that we're in a rush, but just to show how quick and easy it is. I always like those satisfying clicks to make sure everything is in place before we tighten our screws up. Now we just pop the lid slightly there, and yes, I can see there was slightly adhesive there at one stage. Somebody must have had either a cover or something on it, or because the clips are all seem to be in place. So we'll screw that one down. Making sure we don't over tighten. Now, let's pop in the battery and see how we get on. Two lock clips in place. Flip her over. Let's turn her on for a moment. Now, sorry, one other thing is you do need to put the power plug back in place to activate the internal battery. However, we will just move that light down slightly. Hopefully you get a better picture. We boot this up and we just check the RAM to see if it's showing up in our settings. It is a lovely laptop, I do have to say. Right, now that we're back booting up, it is now showing 32 gigs of RAM. Great, that's what we wanted. So it just goes to show the OT480, it's a great machine and very easy to upgrade. Now running years later, now running 32 gigs of RAM on a Core i5 processor. This is good for another long time. So that's it. That's how we upgrade the T480 and make it a bit more suitable for our needs. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.